In this lesson, I will explain to you string methods and under string methods. Here I'm going to explain you length function. After this, we will discuss count function and find function as well. So in this lesson is the length function. So length function, but you have to use only the first three characters or three letters len when we will use in the coding. You do not have to write down the complete word length, only len and then these parentheses return size strings length. Now what is the meaning of this? Suppose this is the string. Variable is name and it is initialized by Ashfaq, is a long name, 8 characters, right? But the length function will count the number of characters for you. Print is the function, that is why you have to use the parenthesis. Length is also a function, that is why you have to use the second parenthesis as well, and in the parenthesis write down just the variable name. When you will run this, see 8. So there are 8 characters in a string Ashfaq. Count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? Now if you do not want to use this print function, just remove it and try one more time. You will get the same answer, 8. Right? So what the length function do? Length function returns a string's length. Okay, one more example. Here math underscore tip is equal to recheck your answer. Print number of characters in a string. See, this is only one word, one name. Here we have 3, 1, 2, 3. So see, I will show you the difference, how the system will count. Number of characters in a string, print length of this variable and then run it. It will print the second line, number of characters in a string. Again, it is not hard and fast rule. If you want, you can delete this line. But here I have written this only to explain you that number of characters in a string, 19. So count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. But these are 17. How come the answer is 19? Keep in mind, space is also a character. So we have two spaces as well, 18 and 19. Always count the space as well. So recheck your answers. These are letters 17 but characters 19 because there are two spaces. In third example, suppose you want to write down these two in one line. Number of characters in a string 19 is equal to 19. So here I have made a coding for you. See how you have to write down. Print the sentence and then colon, math tip, right? What is the math tip? Recheck your answer and has character length. So see, this is the complete coding. You have to write down like this. In this way, you will get this output in one line instead of two. So see, when I will run this sentence, recheck your answer. This is the math tip. Has character length equal to 19. So there are 2 or 3 different ways how you can take the same output in different ways. So see, here I have made another example for you. Good underscore saying is a variable and it is initialized by the string honesty is the best policy. Length good underscore saying. See, I didn't use the word print. I just said, okay, length, L-E-N. Do not write down complete, L-E-N-G-T-H. Only L-E-N, then good underscore saying. So when I will run this, see, there are 26 characters. Count it. You will find out. Count the space as well. This is now your job. You have to count it. It should be 26, right? If I say, what is the midpoint of this 26? 13, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this space here is the 13th half. So in the next example, here I say good underscore saying honesty is the best policy. midpoint. See, integer length, because 26 divided by 2, which is equal to 13, and 13 is the integer. So that is why I have made a casting here. Integer length good underscore string divided by 2 means divide this sentence or a string in two parts. Print good underscore string till midpoint. Right, I didn't assign the start point here, so system will start from h and it will stop at the midpoint. And then in the second sentence, print good saying midpoint, now it has to start from the midpoint. I didn't assign the stop, so it will stop at y. When I will run this, you can see honesty is the, because 13 characters, and then e will move to the second line, best policy. So in this way, you can divide the string in two parts or three parts or four parts. It's up to you. And here you have to assign the index from where you have to start. If you will start here 1, so it will start from 1. If you say you want to start from 2, 0, 1, 2, it will start from n. But if you will not assign, system will start from h. If you will not assign the stop, it will go to the last character of the string, right? So practice it. Here in this lesson you have learned the length function. Next is for count and then find function. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.